Okay, so since tomorrow is 4th of July, I'm going to be doing a 4th of July inspired makeup look. So in the past, I've been doing kind of like really kind of cool creative makeup looks. This year, I wanted to do something very, very simple, yet still very creative. So I already have my base makeup done and my eyebrows done. I will have links to how I like to do my brows and my base in the description so you can go check those out. And now I just have my eyes to do. So let's get started. Okay, I am first going to start with my Armani, what is this? Eye tint in, I think it was called 18M, I'm not sure. I'm just going to start by applying this to the lid. Ooh, let's actually remember to turn on my light. So I'm going to start by applying this to my lids. I'm going to take a fluffy brush. This one is from Angie Hot and Flashy and BK Beauty. This is the A503. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to blend the eye tint a little bit just to get it ready and prepped for eyeshadow. Okay, then I just want to add a little bit of color to the crease first. So I'm going to go in with the Makeup by Mario Soft Sculpt Transforming Skin Enhancer in the shade Light. And I'm going to take just this shade, it's the bottom kind of bronzer contour shade, or really contour shade. Tap off the excess, and this is the Nikki Rose and BK Beauty, the N13 brush. I'm just going to place this in the crease. All right, now let's move on to a different palette. I'm going to take the ColourPop and Naruto eyeshadow palette. I don't know what side I want to do. It's like one side I'm going to do red and the other side I'm going to do blue. Maybe we can do blue on this side, red on this side. Okay, so I'm going to take the shade. I didn't really want to do a matte look. Actually, you know what? I could just use this one and this one, but I feel like this shade is not the red I'm looking for. It's more of this shade. So I don't know, maybe I can do this blue and that red. But this blue is perfect and this red is... You know what, I am going to use the shimmer shades. I'm going to take the BK Beauty and Angie Hot and Flashy, the A502 brush. We're first going to take the shade Rasengan, which is the blue sparkly one. And I'm just going to place this on the outer third of the eye. Oh yeah, I forgot, this shade is very, very... I have to like build it up a lot. Okay, I'm gonna go a little bit in the crease, but I'm gonna stop about right there, and we are going to fill this area. We are going to fill this area in here with white. Okay, I could go on top of this with the other blue, which I think I am going to do. So I'm gonna go dip into the shade below it, which is Hidden Leaf or Hidden Mist Village. I'm just going to go on top of that. Okay, so I just completed this eye off camera, and I'm gonna basically do the same exact thing on the blue eye side. So let's first start with the white, I think. Yeah. So I'm gonna go into the ColourPop Going Coconuts eyeshadow palette. I was going to use a highlighter, but I thought that that wasn't too I didn't like the color of it, so I went with an eyeshadow from this palette. So I'm going to go into this shade, which is Palm Reader. I'm going to take the the Angie Hot and Flashy and BK Beauty, the A501 brush to apply it. And I do kind of want to spray it with a little bit of setting spray. And then I'm going to dip into the shadow, and I'm going to start it about maybe right there. Or you know what, I'm going to actually start it where there is no shadow. Like right in there, in that area. area. For eyeliner, I'm going to take my favorite one from Make by Mario. This is the Master Pigment Pro pencil in Super Black. I'm going to create just a tiny wing for this look. I'm going to go about halfway, I think right where my iris starts. And then I like to take a pointed Q-tip just to clean up the wing a little bit. Then I'm going to go back into the eyeliner and I'm going to tight line just so there's no disconnect from the lashes. And to make the base of the lashes look thicker. Now for another eyeliner, I'm going to take the Essence Stay in Play Gel Eyeliner in Silky Nude and apply that to the waterline. I'm going to take an eyeshadow from the Make by Mario Master Matte palette, and I'm going to use this shade, which is Matte 12, with the BK 208 brush, and just set the eyeliner. This is probably the best eyeliner I have ever done. It looks so good. For mascara today, I'm going to use the Make by Mario Master Mascara in Super Black. But I also wanted to do something with stars, so I thought of doing like little kind of like almost star freckles around like here where around this area. So I'm gonna try to see if I can just draw them on first, or if I need to like use a lighter eyeliner and then go over it with a darker eyeliner. So I'm gonna first try with this eyeliner. This is the NYX Epic Wear eyeliner in Black Metal. Let's try it first with this. So I'm just gonna create small stars, maybe like that. Yep, that's cute. I think I'm gonna do 6, so 3 on each side. So maybe can I do it here, here, or here? Okay, so I'm gonna do on this at the same place on the other side. Okay, this isn't the best, but that's the best I could do. So let's move on to the lips. So I'm just going to remove my lip balm. I'm going to take a powder. I'm going to take my Makeup by Mario Surreal Skin Soft Blur Setting Powder. I'm just going to take this along the lip line just to have my lips stay all day. For lip liner, I haven't used this. Oops. For lip liner, I haven't used one of these in a long time, but I absolutely love. forgot how much I love these lip liners. This is, they're multi-use pencil. This is the Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil in full red. I'm going to line my lips with this. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the Sigma EO5 brush and I'm just going to blend the lip line a little bit of the edge of the lip line. For lipstick, I'm gonna go in with the, where's the name? Oh, the Ravie Beauty Effortless Lips in Rose. Then to set the makeup look, I'm going to take the One Size All Until Dawn Mattifying Waterproof Setting Spray. Wow, this probably is one of my favorite 4th of July makeup looks that I've ever done. So I hope you all enjoyed today's video and see you guys in the next one.